Hey guys, this is Curtis with Elevation Blueprint, blueprintlife.org, O-R-G. And in this lesson, we're going to figure out how to format and change pictures and really add a uniqueness to them that you wouldn't have before. Okay, so I'm on the slide that we created in our last lesson, and we have three pictures here. Okay, and I want to format this picture and make it look a little bit different, this flower picture here. So to do that, I click on it so it's outlined, okay? And then you're going to see up here a tab called Picture Tools, okay? And it's going to be in this top bar up here, and you click on it, Picture Tools, okay? And so that's going to bring you to this really cool page which allows you to format pictures in really neat ways and effects, okay? And so right now we're going to work on brightness, contrast, and recoloring a picture. Really cool stuff. So make sure your picture is selected, and it is, the flower one, and we're going to work on brightness, okay? So in the upper left, under the Format tab, click on Brightness, and it'll give you all these pictures of the sun. And like I said before, you only have to hover over the selection, and it will preview what that picture will look like if you select it. Okay, so you don't actually have to select it to see what it will look like. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at its current brightness, but you can change the brightness on any picture you want and be good to go. Okay, so now let's look at contrast, and that's right next to the brightness. Okay, so same thing, you can change the contrast to up to plus 40% or minus 40%, and you'll be able to see those big differences in the picture contrast. Very cool stuff. Now let's go to recolor. Okay, so when you click on recolor, it's going to give you color modes, dark variations, and light variations. Okay, so you can preview those. So you can do a black and white picture. You can do like a blue type picture, or a purple picture, or a red picture. So you get the picture. So you can really make it look a lot different. Okay, and so I'm going to add like a purple variation. Okay, so I click on it, and there we go. That looks really cool now. Okay, and so you can do this with all of your pictures if you decide to do so. You just click on it and you adjust the brightness, contrast, and or recolor, and you can do a little bit of everything if you want. Okay, so you can also reset the picture right up here, and when I reset it, it reset it to the original size it came as. So I want to not reset it like that. So then you can just go to your keypad and press Control Z. Okay, you hold down the control button and then press the letter Z, and it will undo what you just did. Okay, perfect. Now let's click on a picture again, go to Picture Tools, and we want to add a different style to our picture, maybe a border, or just this different style overall. And you'll see all these different picture styles. Okay, and once again, there's a scroll. Oh, I don't have any extra ones. But once again, you can kind of hold it over your mouse over each style to preview what your picture will look like. You can even make it a circle, have a thick border, have a white border. So there's a lot of different styles you can do. This is pretty cool, a soft edge. So play around with this with each picture if you want to make your pictures really stand out and pop out with different kinds of borders. Okay, now pay attention to these borders because it'll be in your assignment, okay, to use borders. So this is basically how you really format pictures. There's another thing too as well, and it's called cropping pictures, and that's going to be in our next lesson, how to crop pictures, and you're not going to want to miss it.